Hey teachers, we're so excited to share a new passion that's crossing the content area divide while fostering student engagement. Cross-curricular coding is fun and easy to integrate into your daily instruction. It's not adding one more thing into your day. Exposing students to computer science in the primary grades allows all kids access to the subject and prepares them for a 21st century job market.
What do you need to know about coding to attend this 2-day learning opportunity? Absolutely nothing. You'll learn what coding is, how to integrate it into content areas, create materials, and participate in hands-on activities.
You'll have the added benefit of Paige's classroom experience, sharing how coding has increased her students' opportunities for practice, as well as increasing their motivation and engagement in these critical content areas. Please plan to join us.